Hello, welcome beautiful people to Tech with Jaja again. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a mind-blowing video on how to install Python packages on your phone. So in my previous video, I've actually showed you how you can install Python on your phone actually. And the link to that video, I've actually put it in the description below. If you also check the card above, it's also going to link it to that particular video. So in today's video, I have the NumPy library, which is a library in Python. And with this library right now, I'm using it to generate, as you can see from here, I'm going to generate random numbers between 0 to 100. So 10 random numbers actually between 0 to 100. And with that, I'm going to use that to calculate for the mean of those data. I'm also going to calculate the median of those data. I'm also going to calculate the standard deviation of that data. You understand? So let me actually print this particular code to see what it is all about. So here right now you can see the 10 random numbers between 0 and 100, 20, 32, 1, 9, up until 83. So the mean of this number, or the average of it, is 41.1. So the median of this number is 31.5. The standard deviation is around 27.81. So let me close this particular program right now and try to run it again. You can see that right now the number has changed. So also the mean, the median, and the standard deviation has also varied. So the Python package I'm using for this is the NumPy package, which I actually installed in my Pydroid 3, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can actually install these packages and others into your phone so that you can actually run your Python codes in your phone as though you're running on your laptop. So with that being said, first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now so I will head over into walking through these particular steps. So let's go. So in today's video, I'm going to show you about 4 steps, right, that you are going to be using to install these Python packages in your phone. For some packages, you can use 2 steps. For some packages, you can use 3 steps. For some packages, you can use all 4 steps. But for any package in Python, there is at least a step that you can use to install a Python package into your phone. So let's head over and walk through all of them in detail. So the 3 dots you see by the left of your screen, let me click on it right now. I'm going to see the Get Premium, Interpreter, Terminal, Pip, Share, Pastebin, and other buttons by the left of my screen. So the first one I'm going to click here is the Pip button, right? So if I click on it now, it opens a particular interface whereby I'm going to see some particular things in Python. So in this first case now, I'm seeing libraries. So these libraries are going to show you all the packages that you've already installed in your phone. So in this case now, this one that I show you uninstall means that they are already in your phone, right? So if I click on uninstall, it's going to show me if I want to uninstall the app, and if I click on uninstall, it will automatically uninstall the app. So let's actually go with the NumPy we have here. Let me scroll down to where NumPy is. Okay, NumPy is here, right? So let me click on uninstall. It's going to ask me if I want to uninstall NumPy, and if I click on OK, so it says found existing installation NumPy version 1.26.1, uninstalling NumPy version 1.26.1. It has actually uninstalled the particular NumPy library. So you can see right now, when I go and scroll down to where the NumPy is, I'm seeing that there is no NumPy in this particular app. It's supposed to be between this notebook shim and OCPP, but there's no NumPy again. If I want to confirm that by going to the code right now, if I click on running the code, right, so it shows you an error, which is module not found error, saying no module named NumPy. That's because I have now uninstalled the app, or the package, sorry, is no longer in the phone. So right now I'm going to show you all the 4 steps that you're going to either use to you're going to use to install these applications. So let's go. So the first case now, if I go back to that Pip, I'm going to see after this libraries where I have all the libraries in my phone. If I go to search libraries, this search libraries is an interface whereby I can use to search to install my applications. So let's say I search for the name NumPy in this case. So what it's going to do is that it's going to open the Python package manager and bring about up to 20 or 30 packages that have the group of letters that I wrote here as part of the library, as part of the names of these libraries. So in this case, you're seeing AF NumPy, that is NumPy in the name. In this case, you're seeing Bio NumPy, that is NumPy in the name. So if I want to install this particular apps now, I'm going to click on the install and it's going to install right away. So let me check if the NumPy is here. So basically what you're going to see here are between 20 to 30 libraries, right? And in most cases, because right now we have over 569,000 libraries, you probably may not see the particular app you're looking for. So in that case now, using this particular place to install NumPy may not really work. So let's go to another step on how to install NumPy. So the next is to click on this install button at the top right. So when I click on it right now, it's also going to show me an interface whereby I'm going to type the name of the library, right? So if I type NumPy in this case, so what it's going to check right now is it's going to check in the Python package index to see that a particular package that has this name NumPy. So let's just, for this particular sake, let's just say we want to raise something else, right? Something that doesn't exist. And let me click on this install. Are you seeing here now? The last part of it is saying could error, right? Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement, this particular name I wrote here. And so because of that, the particular package is not installed. But if I give the exact name of that particular package and that package is available, it's going to install a particular app into my phone. So let me, in this case now, let me write NumPy and let me click on install. So you're seeing collecting NumPy, installing connected packages. And so here right now it's saying that successfully installed NumPy version 1.26.1. So that means the particular app is installed. So let's go back to that our library section and check for NumPy and see if it is there right now. So here you can see right now that I have NumPy now in my particular phone. So let me go back to the app and run this script right now. So you can see that this particular script now is run because the NumPy app package is in my phone. So another step I'm going to show you is, let me go back to that pip. Another way to install apps is going to the quick install button. So in this particular place now, Pydroid 3 has about 19 packages that it assumes that you may need to have in your phone to run Python packages. So these packages, it gives the names here. So what you're going to do is, if that package is here, what you're going to click on is this install button by the right of it, and that particular package will be installed. So in this case, 3 of them, which is TensorFlow, OpenCV, and Touch, are available when you have actually paid for the application. If you go to this particular, let me show you something. If you go to this Get Premium, you're going to see how to pay for the application. So if you pay for it, those 3 packages we talked about here is going to be available for you to install. But since in this particular exercise I've not paid for it, that's why it is showing it is being locked. That's why I can't install them. So the other ones now which are not locked, which are the PySide 6, PyNACI, Python, Jupyter, Keras, and all the rest of them, I can install all of them. So what I'm going to go to here now is to see if NumPy is here. And luckily for me, NumPy is part of the libraries that are the 19 libraries that I can install, right? So I'll just click on NumPy and to now lead me to this particular place. So it's showing here right now requirement already satisfied. That means the Python package, the NumPy package is already in my phone. So when it shows you requirement already satisfied, means that that particular package is already installed in your phone. So in this case, if I also go to the NumPy, I'm going to see the app here right now. Okay, see. So for the last stage now, I'm going to uninstall this NumPy package so that I can now use that last step to install the NumPy. So let me click on uninstall and uninstall this package. So right now it has been uninstalled. If I go back and run this particular code right now, it's showing me module not found error, no module named NumPy, right? So the last step I can use is to go right now. Before the pip, I'm going to see what is called the terminal. So I'm going to click on this terminal section. So once this particular place opens, I'm now going to use pip to install these particular packages into my phone. So what I'm going to do right now is just to write pip, which is pip, and then a space, and I write install, and then a space again, and I write NumPy, and then click enter. So what is showing here right now, okay, this particular portion is showing that right now I don't have, if you can see, I don't have, okay, let me go back and show you what this particular thing is trying to do. Let me do it again. So in this particular case right now, it's showing me that I have not on my data before I started doing this pip install. So in those cases, it was actually, it's hard. This NumPy, I used the pip to install before using the pip. These NumPy packages have already been installed in my system, so I can already either uninstall or install them. But this particular place whereby I'm using pip, it's going to run from the internet. I'm going to install it from the Python manager. So this case whereby I'm using pip is going to use the internet to install the app from the package manager of Python. And in most cases, this is how you are going to use to install your application. So let me on my data right now and show you how I'm going to install it. Okay, so right now my data is on. So let me go back and click on, okay, sorry. Let me go to the terminal and say pip install NumPy. So if your data is actually very strong, it's going to be taking you less time. But if your data or where you are, doesn't have network, so you might actually lose some time trying to download this particular application. So right now, if I'm you, what I'm going to be doing right now is to just go and subscribe to the channel, right? Using this particular time whereby I'm using to wait for installing this application. I'm going to subscribe to the channel for other notifications of other videos that will be posted in this channel. So right now it's actually installing. Let me just give it some time. So I'm really going to hasten this video so you get to the point whereby the NumPy package is installed. Wow. Okay, so I'm actually having some error right now. So because right now, when I actually uninstall the NumPy and I'm trying to use pip right now, most of the packages that come with NumPy may not be properly uninstalled. So I'm really going to be having those issues. So just to save myself the stress, I'm just going to go back to the normal pip, alright, and install my package because I know to get strength. So let me just say NumPy here, big. And the particular app is installed, right? So let me run my script right now. So I've run my script right now, everything is up and running, no hassle. Okay, but let me show you one thing. Okay, so one thing I enjoy about using the terminal to install my packages is that I can install as many packages I like or I want at a go. So in this case, let's say I want to install NumPy, Tabulate, Pandas, and other libraries at the same time. I'm just going to write pip install. Let's say I want to install Pandas, and also I'll just give a space. I want to install Tabulate, and I also want to install, let's say, scikit-learn. So I'll just say scikit-learn. So you can see all of them have been installed, which is showing me requirement already satisfied. So all these packages that is showing me requirement already satisfied means that I've already installed them. So in this case right now, I can install, if it is 7, 8 or 10 packages at once, I'll just do a pip install and give a space and be listing the names of those packages, and all of them are going to be installed all at once. And also when I'm installing with the pip, it's going to show me a log of the time that it takes for those particular packages to be installed in my phone, right? So that's why it will show me the number of hours or minutes I have to wait for the package are installed. That's why I use it. But in sometimes, or in most cases, I can also use the pip to install these packages directly into my phone. So that is how to install these packages into your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also help me share this video to others so that they can learn how to install these packages into their phone and write Python with their phone. With that being said, do have a nice day. Thank you very much.